Hello, this is Megha Pandre, and today we will be doing the second part of the chapter, lesson number 14, India, location, geological structure and physiography. And in this video, we will talk about how the northern plains were being formed. So let's begin. Now, in this part, we will cover the Great Northern Plains, how the formation of it took place. Now, first we will talk about the location where the Great Northern Plain is located. It's located between the northern mountainous region and the southern peninsula. This plain is formed due to the alluvial sediments brought by the Himalayan rivers such as Satluj, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. So, Satluj, Ganga, and Brahmaputra, when they passes through these plains, they have brought these sediments along with them. Now, at some places, the layer of sediments are about 50 meters thick. As these plains occupy a very large area in North India, they are known as Great Plains of Northern India. It is also known um, from the fact that these plains are cover maximum area because it can also be easily seen from through the satellites. The plain is about 2,400 kilometers long. It is considered as one of the largest river plain of the world. As you can see, these are the number of rivers which passes through these plains, and throughout the year they bring with them alluvial. Alluvial means the soil from the mountains, and these when they passes through these places, these plains are being formed with the help of these soil. It is considered as one of the largest river plains of the world. In the western part, it is narrower than the eastern part. This plain is almost a level land. None of its part is higher than 180 meters above sea level. The plain is very narrow nearby Delhi. The Satluj plain lies to the west of Delhi, while Ganga plain is in the east. This plain is considered to be the most prosperous region of India, as important cities have developed nearby these plains, like Delhi, excuse me, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, etc., situated in this plain. Now, Satluj River and its tributaries. When the Satluj River pass along with the tributaries means the sub rivers which are coming out through Sindhu River, but with different name. Sindhu River and its tributaries Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, Satluj originates in the Himalayas. Generally, a region between the two rivers is called Doab. Do means two and Ab means water. Thus, the plain which is formed by the five rivers is called Punjab, and most of the plain is in Pakistan. So, from the map itself, you can easily make out this location falls in the Pakistan. Now, as we have talked about which are the rivers passes through region, now we will talk about the physiography. On the basis of the physiography, the plain Great Northern Plain is divided into four parts: Bhadar, Tarai, Bangar, and Khadar. Now, first we will continue with the Bhadar. What is Bhadar? Bhadar is a small and narrow belt of gravels and stone lies parallel to the river from Sindhu up to the Tista River in Shivalik foothills. This belt is about 8 to 16 kilometers wide. So this is the width of it. That is about 8 to 16 kilometers, and that is called Bhadar. Now next is the Tarai region. Tarai region falls in this area, and which is more humid and marshy comes next. So this is the type of it. And dense forests are found here, and along with the diversity of wild animals. Life is seen here, and the old alluvium alluvium in the plains is called Bangar. Bangar means at the time of flood and all, when these sediments extend them up to different or very far away areas near than the nearby the rivers, that is called Bangar. Now we will talk about Khadar. What is Khadar? Due to the consistent deposition, it develops a terrace shape which is at a higher level than the flood area. When the river passes continuously, it brings along with them the soil, the sediments from the mountains, and that is the fresh soil. So it is called as Khadar, and the new sediments of the flood is called Khadar. So here I end up with the Great Plains of North India. We will meet in the next part, next video. Up till then, thank you.